Okay, this is to all my defense aspirants. People generally come to us and they ask us. So many people take the coaching from various places, but very few make it to the SSB. For those people, I would like to tell there are only two things in a person which decides whether he becomes an officer or he does not make it to an officer. Over and above the destiny, of course, destiny is the most important thing. The first thing is the dedication of the individual. That is the most important thing. And as a mentor, we only can guide people. Some people take it better, some people don't. Today, I have with me Shivam. He is a living example of a person who is being dedicated to this profession throughout his life so far. Now, what has happened is Shivam has given almost 9 attempts, out of which he has seen 5 conferences. From a naval background, his father is a submariner, and I have a lot of respect for submariners because of 2 reasons. In Air Force, if there is a profession, a challenging profession that is of a fighter pilot, and I belong to a family from where my elder brother was from fighters. Of course, he is no more with us, and I was also from the flying branch. In Navy, it is the submarines because I went to NDA. Lot of coastmates of mine, Surange, Bhagwat, and all these guys, they are all from submarines, and hats off to these guys. So that is one thing. Now, he has studied in various schools, defense background, lot of schools, did his college from Delhi, and he came to us around 2-3 weeks back. So Shivam, how has been your experience with this place? You are very familiar to this setting.
Exactly.
So tell me.
So the first day I came, I was very nervous, I'd say, as to what all will be taught there. I knew the process of the SSB, but it had been a lot of time that I had given my SSB. So came here to refresh my mind as to what all things are going there. Then I met the psychologist, Mr. Lieutenant Colonel Rohit Mehra sir, Wing Commander Tyagi sir. Went through the psychology process. Then I met Alu Alia sir, and all my doubts that I had for the GTO, be it your group discussions or your group planning exercises, or all the tasks, all the 9 tasks that usually happen in your group tasks, those were cleared. And the confidence which I thought I did not have when I came here, that was brought back in me by all the mentors that I had here. Basically, the things that were taught to me, the way I should approach things, the way the testing procedure is, the things that the testing procedure is seeking from you, all those things were taught to me, and I was able to perform well in both.
Here I would like to stop him. He is giving lot of credit to us, gentlemen and ladies. This boy, when I met him for the first day, I was doing some another batch, and he was with the psychologist. So that Lieutenant Colonel Rohit, who is talking about, he came to me and he told me, sir, I don't know ये लड़के का अभी तक क्यों नहीं हुआ है, because as far as I am concerned, I don't see any fault in him. Then I had a short interview with him, and I realized that there are times when that third factor which I said, the destiny, it is not with you. Personally, if you believe me, I have seen so many candidates. I have had almost 11 years as an assessor, and there are very few boys and girls I have come across with whom I was very, very sure कि इसका होना चाहिए, नहीं हो पा रहा है. That is for some reason which is unknown to all of us because of the subjectivity in the system itself. But he had it in him. It is only that थोड़ा सा guideline we have given to him, but otherwise we don't deserve that kind of credit. The boy is good. He is a little too polite for the Fauj, but I think he's going to learn for it when he joins the training part of it. And Shivam, हमें कभी भी doubt नहीं था. We never had a doubt that you will not get recommended. Why you were not getting recommended was a thing which I wanted to search in myself. क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा है? So आपने you did your GTO, you did your psych, and you did your interview here, right?
Yes, sir.
So for the viewers, like a lot of boys and girls come to us, I would like to know कि in short, what is the thing which you feel which helps a person who has, I will not say failures, who has seen failures before, but a person who has been through this grind and has almost come to a stage where he starts feeling and is almost convinced that it is not in me. What is that in this place which you thought helped you to come up to the level and that confidence came back? Yes, you are right. It is a good introspection. When the first time I told you, I said this boy is underconfident. Otherwise, there's nothing wrong with it. He's got excellent, for everybody, he's got an excellent communication skill. So, and that is one thing which is required in an SSB. Two things. One is trainable. I told him also, two things will decide whether you get recommended or not. One is that the assessor should see that you are trainable. And who is trainable? A person who is flexible. That flexibility this boy has. And of course, the power of expression which we call a communication skill. So, bata, mere ko GTO, Psych, IO, whatever, whichever sequence you want to say.
Sir, starting with Psych, I think the stories were very preconceived when I started my SSBs. When I came here, I got to know that it's just the experiences that you've had. You see the story and you see that if your life was a film, how would that photo be taken in your life? If you're seeing any of the stories, if you're seeing a water tanker, how would you be associated with that water tanker? You write a story around that. You see how many actions you can take, how you can make the lives of other people easier. That's what I believe they were looking when you were writing the story. Then you come across your VAT and all those psychology, the psych test. That is basically your personality. Then you come to your interview. Now I'd say ki,
sir, Divesh, Shivam, I'll stop you here. Now, people have a doubt in psychology that good stories, there's nothing, and that is what exactly this boy is saying. There is nothing like a good story. Few minutes back, I saw a podcast and there was Mr. Divesh, who is also a teacher and a coordinator here. He told that in an SSB, you are judged by three sides, a psychologist, a GTO and IO, and उन सबका जो तत्व है वो है एक अच्छी अपब्रिंगिंग. What I'm sure that everybody in their own way comes from a good family. But what people do a mistake is, in order to make a good story, they start writing preconceived stories. So, good background and your own life experience. That's what you want to say?
Yes, sir.
No setup. Yeah, I'm sure all our psychologists, Lieutenant Colonel Rohit, and then Wing Commander Deepak Tyagi, and other psychologists which we have, they are the ones who always tell the boys and girls here that preconceived story नहीं बनानी है, right?
Exactly.
अपना आपका एक PIQ है, आपकी एक background है, उससे वो link होनी चाहिए stories, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now come to the interview.
Coming to the interview part, I'd say ki if you've made any of the decisions in your life that you've gone to do your BTech or you've gone to any place, you're doing a job in any place, if you're not doing any job, you have to have a reason for that, and everyone has a reason. कि मैंने जॉब करी, I have a reason कि यार मेरे को क्यों जॉब करनी थी. अगर किसी ने नहीं करी, वो घर बैठ के पढ़ रहा था, तो maybe he is studying for an exam. So I'd say कि you have to know why you took a decision in your life and you have to be firm around that. That is what I believe the interviewer is looking for, कि what you have done in your life and why you have done those things. It's not like you can fabricate that story and showcase कि यार मैंने ये करा because I had motivation, or you had those skills, या फिर आप portray नहीं कर सकते वो चीज. That should come from your story कि you took that decision and you were firm with it.
Yeah,
I believe
because we have a lot of conferences when I was as an assessor, I used to see that interviewing officer is generally looking for two things. One is the motivation of an individual and the other is the insight. So जो आपने बहुत simple words में बताया वही है insight. आपने क्या किया है, what you have done with your life, you should have a reason and you should know about it, right?
Exactly. Yes.
Exactly. And the interviewing officer, for my viewers, I would like to say, he generally makes this statement in a conference कि this boy has got a high motivation, high insight, low motivation, high insight. So अगर आपको अपने बारे में पता है, this interview is a personal interview in SSB and it is not a interview like a job interview. Here they are more interested in knowing about your own self, how well you know yourself. है ना?
Yes,
so
sir.
वो generally तुमने भी देखा होगा, everybody asks questions about yourself. If you have a friend, why a friend? what are two qualities the friends like in you, what are the two qualities you like in your friend. हर चीज का reason, if you have that reasoning in you and you have that inquiring attitude, which is one of the OLQs, also part of one of the OLQs, probably then there is nobody who can stop you from getting recommended for as far as the interviewing also is concerned, right?
Correct. Yes, sir.
Now coming to the GTO.
So we've talked about the psychology. That's your mind.
Mind.
Now we've talked about the IO.
Yeah.
That's what you speak. Now, if you've perfected your psych and you've perfected your interview, so you know what kind of a person you are and what kind of a personality you've got. कि आपने सोचा क्या है और आपने बोला क्या है. The third thing when we come to it's the GTO, and
It is the most dynamic process.
Dynamic process, exactly. And that's what, it's not a what do we call, it's a task that is given to us. It does not have a very definite answer to it. So if, we have 8 people, we have 7 people, 9 people in our group. All of us think differently and we have to understand each of those ideas that are being given.
How will you adjust in a group?
How will we adjust in a group? If someone is causing you a discomfort, let's suppose you're giving an idea in PGT, or let's suppose GD as well, or GPE. अगर कोई आपका idea के against है, you don't have to feel any discomfort towards that. उसका idea है, you have to be very in ease कि यार उसने idea दिया, you have to respect that idea and you have to inculcate that idea कि यार उसका idea use करके मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ क्या. You have to be very inquisitive कि यार हाँ okay उसने ये सोचा. If you're in a GD, वो उसने कुछ पॉइंट बोला, build upon it. You don't have to treat it as an exam कि यार वो वहाँ एग्जाम हो रहा है, you're not listening to people. You can make your own points and you can listen to people as well, and that's how you will enjoy the process. अगर आप enjoy करोगे process, तो it's no longer an interview or a testing process that is going on. It's just basically a thing that you enjoy.
True.
So GTO में वो रहता है, and बाकी communication skills are important because whatever you're thinking, whatever you said in your interview, whatever you written in your psych, अगर आप वो चीज वहां जाके अपने कर्म से मतलब what you're doing in your GTO नहीं दिखाओगे तो फिर.
Actually, what he is trying to say is that communication skills, people confuse it. Like I have been with this academy for almost 2 years now. I see a lot of boys and girls coming from a village background. They have this issue that they cannot speak English. English, it is not a test of English. I want to make it very, very clear. He will agree with me कि it is an ability to express.
Correct. Yes,
right? And it is like English, Hindi, जो भी आप comfortable हैं, preferably English. But ऐसा नहीं है कि you should not put load on yourself that you are not able to speak. And there is an OLQ which we mark you on, which is called power expression. By definition, it is ability to put across ideas adequately with ease and clarity. Nowhere does it say that it is your fluency in English. So ये English का जो हुआ है इसको हटाना बहुत जरूरी है.
Exactly.
There are a lot of boys and girls who hold themselves back only because of this reason. Shivam, I know he is good in English, but he is equally good in Hindi. So wherever he feels comfortable, right?
Exactly, sir.
That is the way you should. And in fact, in group discussion, the GTO tells you also, it is, please do not worry about ideas. It is the way you express them. And at this point, please do not worry about the expressions.
Correct.
है ना?
Yes,
so
sir.
वो बोलता है आपको, पर हम लोग मानते नहीं उस बात को. सबको लगता है English is not a thing which is required. Yes, if you know it, because it's a global language, you should be able to speak because आजकल this whole world is speaking this language. So and all our SOP, that is standard operating procedures in Air Force, Army, Navy, are in English. So if you know this language, it is very good. अगर नहीं आती है कोई बात नहीं, ये चीज ऐसी है जो सीखी जा सकती है. With time, I had a like when I went to NDA, I had a boy with me from Sainik School Chittorgarh. Right now he is flying with Uttarakhand government. So this boy could not speak one line of English. Now he trains people for interviews with UN mission. This is something which you can learn. That's how trainable. Everything is trainable. So that is what, and you have brought it out very well. कि वो चीज वो देखी जा रही है, right?
Correct.
And it is not the solution, it is the way you present
yourself.
That is the thing. और बताओ, tell me one thing. If you want to tell these boys and girls one thing which they should keep in mind while they are practicing for SSB, or मतलब what do you call trying to get into defense forces and are not able to make it, what should they do?
I'd say all the 3 days or the 4 days that we go through the process, people are, I saw that in my SSB, both my SSB attempts where I got recommended, that if one thing does not go their way, they start overthinking in that way कि यार मेरा interview सही नहीं गया, अब नहीं होगा मेरा. So they end up making the same mistake in their other tasks as well. So let's suppose if someone's writing that psychology test, that's usually the first test that they're doing, and वहाँ पर they make a mistake in VAT or maybe in SRT. So that shows in their interview as well, because that's the load that they're carrying. तो एक चीज तो ये है कि if you are going towards the SSB, तो 3 tasks हैं and those 3 are different from each other. तो अगर एक भी खराब गया है तो don't think about it, go to the next one with an open mind. उसका लोड छोड़ दो. एंड अगर प्रिपरेशन की बात आए तो फिर अगेन सर ने जैसा बोला कि यू हैव टू नो योर सेल्फ टू गो टू द SSB एंड शो, बिकॉज अगर आप अपने आप को नहीं जानोगे तो आप दूसरे को क्या दिखा के आओगे. अपने आप को जानो, फिर आपको पता होना चाहिए कि यार आप किसके लिए जा रहे हो. यू हैव टू नो कि विच फोर्स यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर एंड व्हाट ऑल हैपेंस इन दैट फोर्स, बिकॉज कहीं भी काम करने जाओगे तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि यार उस काम में होता क्या है. सो दैट इज देयर. एंड अगेन द लास्ट थिंग दैट आई बिलीव कि कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए. यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट कि यू विल बी एबल टू मेक इट. बट अगर आपको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं दिखेगा तो हाउ विल द साइकोलॉजिस्ट और द इंटरव्यूअर और द ग्रुप टेस्टिंग ऑफिसर बी कॉन्फिडेंट इन यू कि यार मैं इसमें जाऊंगा.
faith in your own abilities.
अगेन
That is the thing which is required. और अभी now अब शिवम ने SSB at least what he felt is a barrier, he has crossed that. Now for his information, probably he is not aware, I think I told him also once कि but he has learnt it on his own. What he just said is something we tell our boys and girls. SSB में nothing is a test, it is a task.
Yes,
right?
Sir. Yes sir.
Task has got no definite answer. लोग ये गलती करते हैं कि एक ये टेस्ट है, टेस्ट का आंसर होता है कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया दिल्ली है, हैदराबाद नहीं, ये सबको पता है. पर टास्क में एक पिक्चर 60 कहानियां, इसकी सेम कहानी कोई और लड़का या लड़की लिखेगी वो गलत हो सकती है. वाई? बिकॉज हिज स्टोरी इज नॉट लुक्ड इन आइसोलेशन, इट इज लुक्ड विद हिज बैकग्राउंड. सो जिसको एक के लिए सही है वो दूसरे के लिए गलत भी हो सकती है. और एक और चीज जो मैंने आपको उस दिन मैंने बोला था कि मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगा जब SSB करके आओगे, कि I told him and I tell all my boys and girls कि अगर साइकोलॉजी खराब हो जाता है, आप वो एक्चुअली आपकी फीलिंग है कि मेरा खराब हुआ है टेस्ट, आपको पता ही नहीं एक टेस्ट में करना है क्या, तो प्लीज डोंट स्पॉइल GT टास्क एंड इंटरव्यू. बिकॉज 3 चीजें होती है कॉन्फ्रेंस में. एक होता है फॉर एनी बॉय और अ गर्ल टू पास इन SSB बाय एन assessor, he should cross 90 marks. पहली चीज है ना, that's what we talked about. Any boy or girl to be discussed in the conference, he should cross a mark of 240. That is the magic mark. We call it a magic mark. देखिए 240 जो है ये कैसे भी आ सकता है. अगर आपको GTO ने फेल भी किया है, सर जो साइकोलॉजी आपको लगता है खराब हुआ है, आपको 70 दिया है. अगर आपको इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर और GTO पास कर देता है 90, 90, 70, आप स्टिल आप एक 240 का मार्क क्रॉस कर जाते हो एंड यू कम अप फॉर डिस्कशन. सो एक टेस्ट खराब होने से आपको सारे टेस्ट खराब नहीं करने चाहिए, बिकॉज किसी को नहीं पता है कौन आपको खींच के ले जाए, है ना. कॉन्फ्रेंस में ये डिस्कशन होता है, एंड ओनली दोज बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स हु क्रॉस दिस मार्क ऑफ 240 शुड बी एबल टू क्रॉस द SSB. एंड फिर वो डिस्कशन होता है, फाइनली अगर आपको रिकमेंड होना है so you should cross that figure of 360. So you must have crossed 360 and that is why today we are celebrating with the garlands, right?
Correct, yes sir.
हाँ चलो ये छोड़ो, मुझे CPSS के बारे में बताओ. For all those boys and girls, when I went for NDA till late 2000s, ये टेस्ट होता था PABT, Pilot Aptitude Battery Test. In somewhere around 2011-12, after long trial of around 9 to 10 years, ये CPSS start हुआ. आपको मैं एक चीज बताना चाहता हूं कि CPSS के जो पीछे आपको जो आवाज आती है वो एक ऑफिसर है विंग कमांडर सुदरेशन. ही वाज माय इंस्ट्रक्टर एंड बीच बीच में जो आवाज आती है उसमें कई जगह मेरी आवाज भी है, रिकॉर्डेड वॉइस में.
करेक्ट.
हाँ, क्योंकि मैं वहां पे था उस समय दिल्ली में. सो CPSS लड़कों और लड़कियों को लगता है कि बहुत ही खतरनाक टेस्ट है, बट जब PABT था तो 2 टेस्ट होते थे, एक ड्रम टेस्ट होता था और एक डॉट वाला टेस्ट होता था. उसको CPSS में उसी को कंप्यूटराइज कर दिया एंड स्टिमुलस पहले 7 होते थे, अब 21 कर दिए. सो आई कैन टेल यू दैट ही हैज डन मच बेटर देन अस. व्हेन वी वेंट वी हैड ओनली 7 stimuluses. नाउ ही मस्ट हैव क्लियर्ड 21 stimulus. दैट इज व्हाई इट हैज बिकम अ लिटिल मोर डिफिकल्ट, अ लिटिल मोर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, राइट? तो मुझे बताओ CPSS कैसा लगा आपको करके?
सर काफी नया था बिकॉज एवरीवन फोकसेस एसएसबी पे, उधर सीपीएसएस पता चला कि सीपीएसएस देना है, तो इट वाज वेरी न्यू नो, और एक अच्छा भी लग रहा था यार कि नॉट एवरीवन गिव्स सीपीएसएस।
Yes, it is once in lifetime test.
एग्जैक्टली, डर भी था कि यार एक बार होता है, फेल हो गए तो क्या होगा, और ये भी था कि यार वी आर वन ऑफ द लकी वंस हु आर एक्चुअली गिवन द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गिव द सीपीएसएस एग्जाम। तो वहां गए, इट स्टार्टेड विद द कंप्यूटर टेस्ट की different meters were shown to us, altitude meter, the horizon meter, the rate of descent, ascent, various meters were shown to us.
This test which he is talking about, it is two parts. First, you are shown 5 instruments. You have to tell the position of the aircraft. Then you are shown position of the aircraft and you have to say the reading of 3 instruments.
Correct.
Right?
Yes sir, yes sir,
वही होता है?
वही होता है सर।
हाँ, उसमें वो और मैं उन श्रोताओं को बताना चाहूंगा, टू माय व्हाट यू कॉल पीपल हु आर लिसनिंग टू दिस पॉडकास्ट, people who clear the written are only taken to the machine. Not everyone is taken to the machine.
Exactly.
कितने लोग थे आपके सीपीएसएस के लिए?
सर 6 लोग थे।
और कितने लोग रिटर्न पास हुए?
लकीली सर 6 होकर गए।
6 वेरी सो नाइस।
यस सर। सो रिटर्न हुआ, रिटर्न में आइड से कि अगर इफ यू गोइंग फॉर सीपीएसएस डोंट टेक अ मेंटल टोल कि यार नहीं, मतलब कैसे होगा।
ब्रीफिंग सुनो,
ब्रीफिंग सुनो, इट्स जस्ट द ब्रीफिंग, इट्स नथिंग कि आपने पहले जो करा है वो आपको हेल्प करेगा, इट्स जस्ट द ब्रीफिंग। सारी चीजें नई थी, मैंने कभी नहीं देखा था कि यार कौन से इंस्ट्रूमेंट से क्या होता है,
अल्टीमीटर, आर्टिफिशियल होराइजन, एएसआई, स्पीड, एएसआई
स्पीड एंड ऑल, ये सब नए थे। मजा आ रहा था सुन के। आई वाज जस्ट वेरी
पहली बार फील होता है कि पायलट बन रहे हैं।
एग्जैक्टली, यस सर, कि बहुत क्यूरियस था कि यार ये अच्छा, ये भी होता है, अच्छा वो भी होता है, अरे पायलट कैसे देखेगा इतना सब,
वो कॉकपिट भी है।
एग्जैक्टली। तो कंप्यूटर एग्जाम हुआ, आपका रिटर्न एग्जाम हुआ, उसमें लकीली हमने 6 ने दिया था, 6 पास हो गए थे। फिर वी वर टेकिंग टू द फर्स्ट फ्लोर ऑफ द बिल्डिंग इन एफएसबी देहरादून। वहाँ पे कॉकपिट्स बने हुए हैं, कॉकपिट के अंदर यू सिट एंड आपको पायलट वाली फीलिंग आती है। आगे एक स्क्रीन है, देयर आर वेरियस बटन्स, यू आर एक्चुअली गिवन अ जॉयस्टिक जो एयरप्लेन में होती है आपके पास, फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट में होती है बेसिकली। आपके पैर में पेडल होता है एंड देन रडर्स वो स्टार्ट होता है, और अलग ही मजा आ जाता है उस एग्जाम को देखे। once in a lifetime feeling, if you're not a fighter pilot, you just go there, you sit there and it's basically a game कि आपको एक डॉट है, उसको सेंटर में रखना है, मल्टीपल डॉट्स आ रहे हैं उनके साथ अलाइन करना है। फिर कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटी टेस्ट भी होता है उसमें कि बहुत सारे नंबर्स आ रहे हैं, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर कि कौन उस स्क्रीन में क्या नंबर आया, फिर नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन में बताना होना चाहिए कि उनमें से कौन सा नहीं था। बहुत सारी चीजें, इफ यू टेक इट विद अ क्यूरियस माइंड, आई थिंक हो जाएगा बहुत अच्छा।
what Shivam is making and sounding so easy, it is not so easy, but like I always say, I always felt that he deserved to be a person in uniform. Now I am sure that dream is going to come true. Things are not easy, but they are not difficult also. Only thing is that you need focus and you need to have that dedication, which you can learn from this boy. He has been doing it for last 8 years. There is a girl in our academy who has done 11 attempts and she's finally got recommended. So ऐसे बहुत सारे cases हैं. In my lifetime, I have recommended a boy at the 15th attempt. That boy had seen a boy from Northeast. 15th attempt when he got recommended, he started crying there only in this thing. So कोई limit नहीं है attempts की, right?
Yes,
so but dedication रहनी चाहिए.
Dedication.
One line about this academy, Dreamers, which is in Dehradun, and not only Dehradun, it is in 4 or 5 places, but the main hub is in Dehradun. And one about the academy and one about yourself and your SSB experience.
Sir, ड्रीमर्स के लिए तो यही कहना है कि इट वाज अ प्लेस जहाँ पे डेस्टिनी लेके आई कि यार जाते हैं, कैसा रहेगा, क्या रहेगा। एंड वहाँ पर जाके आई मेट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, इतने सारे अच्छे एसएसएस से मिला कि मतलब आइड से कि इट वाज मीटिंग पीपल हु आर एक्चुअली असेसिंग यू, और गाइडेंस जो मिलती है आपके लाइफ के बारे में, इट्स वेरी वेरी सूदिंग कि यू नो कि आपका हो जाएगा। दे शो कॉन्फिडेंस इन यू एंड दे टेल यू व्हाट ऑल मिस्टेक्स यू बीन मेकिंग, आपको क्या चेंजेस करने हैं अपनी लाइफ में। तो
पर शिवम इज सिर्फ एक पहलू बता रहा है ड्रीमर्स का। ड्रीमर्स में सिर्फ एसएसबी तो बहुत छोटा सा पार्ट है। यहाँ पे इनफैक्ट वी हैव मोर स्टाफ एंड मोर टीचर्स फॉर रिटर्न एग्जाम, विच इज अ मोर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड थिंग, है कि नहीं?
यस सर।
रिटर्न के लिए पढ़ना पड़ता है। मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, मैं कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड का, मुझे बहुत पढ़ना पड़ा था एनडीए क्लियर करने के लिए। बट एसएसबी इज अ पर्सनैलिटी थिंग विच you can clear if you keep a clear mind and you have had a good upbringing. है ना?
Yes, sir.
सो ये जो रिटर्न पार्ट है, ये ड्रीमर्स में हमारे पास बहुत सारे टीचर्स हैं. कुछ टीचर्स को आप लोग जानते हैं, कुछ टीचर्स को आप शायद नहीं जानते, क्योंकि हमेशा एक आदमी होता है जो पर्दे के आगे है और एक पर्दे के पीछे ज्यादा लोग काम कर रहे हैं, है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
सो जैसे यहाँ पे मिस्टर प्रवीण हैं, मिस्टर दिवेश हैं, हमारे एक सीकर के हेड हैं अभिनव, और हमारे एसएसबी टीम में भी 2-3 ऐसे हैं जो जिनको मैं सोचता हूँ कि अगर वो नहीं होते तो शायद हम इतने अच्छे से एसएसबी नहीं कर पाते. अभिनव, रॉजर, प्रज्ञा और भी हैं. ये सब सपोर्ट है हमारा, है ना?
Yes, sir.
सो रिटर्न एज वेल एज एसएसबी, दैट्स व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, एंड यू मस्ट हैव फेल्ट इट, बट थैंकफुली स्टडी वाला पार्ट आपने खुद कर लिया.
Study वाला.
ठीक है, आपको उसको ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. बट फॉर बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स हु फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू क्लियर द रिटर्न, you can join their various courses at Dreamers, and you can contact us, and then probably you will be able to. And for SSB, we'll give you free SSB after that. Thereafter, हाँ बताओ फिर हम how do you find naval board and difference in Navy? Because बहुत सारे candidates जानना चाहते हैं कि Navy और Air Force board में क्या फर्क है,
So,
जो आपको दिखा.
yes, sir. Psychology test similar, it's same. Interview again, it's about your personality. So it is to a very good extent same है. Obviously forces से different है, तो you have different questions regarding the forces that are being asked to you. But when you come to GTO, GD, and that all the tasks that are group based, and that those are indoor activities, they are same. But when you go out, you have different structures. PGT में आप आते हो तो it's very different from the naval board. नेवल बोर्ड में यू डू हाफ ब्रिजिंग, आपके स्ट्रक्चर्स जो हैं वो थोड़े क्लोजर होते हैं कंपैरेटिवली, एंड यू आर एबल टू पास थ्रू वेरी इजीली. I'd say when you're, अगर आपके पास आइडिया है तो you're able to pass through, but in Air Force I'd say higher the obstacles are higher, they're far away from each other, and even if you have the idea you have to implement to know कि यार ये चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा.
यहाँ पे जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो करके आपको कुछ फायदा हुआ?
यस सर, यहाँ पर आप ड्रीमर्स में आके आप देखोगे कि यू विल बी एबल टू सी कि आपके स्ट्रक्चर्स कैसे रहेंगे, आपका दिमाग खुल जाएगा कि यार एक्टिविटीज कैसे करनी है, आपको नॉट कैसे बांधनी है, आपको किस एंगल पे अगर आप फट्टा रखोगे तो कैसा रहेगा. आपके आइडियाज जो हैं वो आना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि आप इतनी प्रैक्टिस कर लोगे यहाँ पर डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स से कि आपको सिमिलैरिटीज पता चल जाएंगी कि अगर वी शेप स्ट्रक्चर है तो उसमें कैसे नॉट बांधोगे, उसमें फट्टा कैसे लगेगा, आगे डबल ब्रिजिंग कैसे करोगे, द डिस्टेंस इज मोर, अगर आपका जो ऑब्स्टिकल है वो लंबा है या फिर इट्स हायर इन हाइट तो वो कैसे लगेगा, वैसे वो सब.
चलो, सो शिवम, ऑल द बेस्ट. आई एम रियली हैप्पी फॉर यू.
थैंक यू सर.
एंड हमारे जो सीईओ है, मैं उनको हमेशा वो बहुत चिंतित थे आपके लिए, एंड आपकी मदर भी बहुत चिंतित थी. तो मैं उनसे परसों भी मिला था, कल भी बात हुई थी मेरी, पर मुझे नहीं लगता कि उनको चिंता की कोई जरूरत थी. इट इज वो होता है ना, पेरेंट्स का एक वो होता है, हमेशा डाउट रहता है कि यार कर पाएगा कि नहीं कर पाएगा. बट हमें एज अ एसेसर आई हैड नो डाउट, नॉट ओनली मी, योर अदर एसेसर्स लाइक दीपक, रोहित, बाराकोटी, एंड जो जिन से आपने कांटेक्ट में आए हैं.
यस सर.
सो हमें कोई डाउट नहीं था, एंड वी आर रियली हैप्पी फॉर यू.
थैंक यू सर.
आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग दिस थिंग, व्हाट यू कॉल ब्रेक, you have got this chance, so even more reasons to celebrate.
Exactly, yes, sir.
And CPSS, so nice. It has been such a long time that I saw somebody clearing CPSS, because NDA बच्चे जाते हैं फिर हमें पता नहीं चलता है कि उन्होंने CPSS क्लियर. आप क्लियर भी किया और मैं नेक्स्ट डे आपसे मिल भी रहा हूँ, so मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. And all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Happy landings.
Thank you, sir.
And always be safe.
Thank you, sir.
Whatever you join.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.